Hi friends, welcome back to the channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to the Apex Legends mobile gameplay and FPS drop test in the POCO X3 Pro device. The POCO X3 Pro, which has got the Snapdragon 860 processor in it, and let's see friends, how is the performance of the phone gonna be there while using this POCO X3 Pro device. That's what I thought of demonstrating right now using the real-time FPS meter as well. I'm trying to use at this moment. And let's go back to the main page and let's start the gameplay experience. Let's see how is the gameplay experience going to be there in this POCO X3 Pro device. So let's start the game. Let's do the FPS drop test as well using with the maximum settings I'm trying to perform in this video. Let's find out using with the maximum settings. So fine friends, we did get to the launch stage and let's try to use the maximum settings. Everything I'm trying to use the maximum. And yes, let's go back. And finally friends, we are using the maximum settings and you can see the FPS as well. It's maintaining about 60 FPS and 59 FPS, right? You can see absolutely. And let's do the drop test in this capital city. And we're getting about 60 FPS, 58, 57. There's a drop 26 and 17 FPS is the lowest value. 17. As you can see friends clearly, 17 FPS. Overall, that is the drop which has been happening in this device exactly right now. So in case if you want me to do any other videos upload on any other smartphones, let me know in the comment section below friends. Definitely I'll like to upload those videos. Not bad. As you can see, overall FPS is maintaining 58 FPS. FPS is maintaining. That's pretty good. That's pretty good, decent FPS. I can definitely say that. Not bad.
Scanning the area.
Right now, as you can see, friends, overall FPS maintaining not bad, pretty decent and good. As you can see from the overall FPS, it's made pretty good. So meanwhile, signing off friends, is a quick demonstration on the POCO X8 Pro device, and overall the phone was able to maintain pretty good and very stable in terms of the gameplay.
Battery here. Reloading. Recharging my shields.
So this is a quick gameplay test friends in the POCO X8 Pro device, and overall it seems to be kind of pretty good and decent.
Scanning the area. Making contact here. Medkit here. Reloading. Scanning the area.
Right now, as you can see friends, FPS.
Silence counting. The enemy. Reloading. Decoys. Shotgun bolt. Contact. Reloading. Each slaughter extends my heart.
You can see FPS there is a drop little bit.
Medkit here. Medkit here.
So meanwhile, signing off friends, this is a quick demonstration, and in case if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below.
Sniper stock here. Level 3. Scanning the area.
Until then, signing off, and thank you for watching, and bye.